Shri Ganeshaya Namaha, Shri Gurubhyo Namaha, Harihi Om. Flashes of inspiration from the Upanishads. Uddālaka Maharshi's bird lesson will change your thinking. Sayatha Shakunihi Sutrena Prabadho Disham Disham Patitvan Yatra Yatanamalabdhva Bandhanamevo Pashrayata Evameva Khalu Somyatanmano Disham Disham Patitvan Yatra Yatanamalabdhva Pranamevo Pashrayate Pranabandhanam Hi Somyamana Iti. Get ready for yet another jaw-dropping moment. Uddālaka Maharshi was about to share one of the most powerful metaphors ever taught, and this would completely blow Shvetaketu's mind. My dear Shvetaketu, the brilliant Uddālaka Maharshi began with intense passion. Imagine a bird tied to a string. Watch what happens next. Imagine this vivid scene. The bird desperately flies in every direction, frantically searching for a place to rest. It soars left, then right, desperately seeking freedom and comfort. But no matter how hard it struggles or how far it travels, it finds absolutely nothing. What does the exhausted bird do? Uddālaka Maharshi asked with dramatic emphasis. It finally gives up and returns to its one true anchor, the string that holds it. Then came the earth-shattering revelation. Shvetaketu, your mind works exactly in the same way. It races everywhere, desperately chasing thoughts, emotions, and experiences. But when it finds no lasting peace anywhere else, your mind always returns to its one true home, your breath. This incredible wisdom reveals that breath is not just air. Breath is the sacred anchor that keeps your wandering mind grounded and powerfully centered. What happens when you truly master this connection between the mind and the breath? Watch out for the continuation next week to understand the secret. Mitraya Namaha.